Duck is very proud of being
stupid.
He talks endlessly about it. It was a splendid day. There are two ways of doing things, Duck told them. The
Stupid
way or the wrong way. Here is Diesel Nuts. He needs to learn. Please teach him, Duck.
Go fuck yourself.
He has very good manners. We are pleased to have him in our yard. We Diesels don't need to learn. We are rep. Oh, said Duck, if you're dummy, perhaps you would collect my trucks while I fetch Gordon's
penis. That sounds a bit weird.
Diesel.
Remember, Thomas, called Gordon roundly, united we stand, together we fall.
As far as I'm concerned, united we're fucked.
Bust my bollocks. I am honoured to inform you that Lightning Mom Queen is coming here to visit us. Both he and the paint pot fell all over Henry. The Fat Controller spoke next. You look like an oink, Henry. What do you think of this, Thomas?
I don't care.
You're a useless blue duck. That's nice. We don't need to stop, said Thomas happily. Yes, we do, called his driver, but it was too late.
Wow, how original!
Next day, Percy told Gordon all about George. Huh, snorted Gordon. You're just a stupid engine, that's why he's rude to you. He wouldn't dare cause me any trouble. George was blocking his way, and a truck was stuck on the main line.
We know that, you fool.
Let me through, demanded Duck.
Fuck off, you stupid cunt.
Duck's driver went to complain to the station master, but the signalman had already switched the points and set the signal to allow Gordon to speed through.
Leroy Jenkins!
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.
The Fat Controller was dying on the platform.
No.
Then Gordon and Henry were cross all over again when James got to pull the train away.
Hello, Thomas, whistled Percy. You look splendid. Yes, indeed, boasted Thomas. A large hopper was loading his trucks full of cocaine. Help! I'm dying. Thomas was dead. The buffers were broken and Percy was dead.
I wonder if my pony can fly.
Thomas and Percy are speechless. But sometimes Percy teases Thomas about being frightened, and he doesn't like that at all.
Fuck yourself.
Wake up, Thomas. I'd rather not. The points are jammed, called the signalman. I can't switch them back. The workmen will mend them in the morning. It's too late now. I don't like the dark. Where are you going? Home for tea.
What?
Suddenly, there it was. Cinders and ash. It's Dirty Percy. Don't call me Dirty Percy. You'll never guess what I saw last night. I don't have time for your station joke. I've seen a huge dragon. You've been in the sun too long. You're cracked not. Look out, Percy, chuckled James. Or the station joke. They gobble you up. Cyril the Fogman has a very important job. He puts detonators on the tracks. Oh, shit. Thank you, Cyril. It was very large and strange looking. It warns you when there's fog ahead, like this.
Oh! That's loud.
Too loud. Sounds like a tugboat. What happened to the foghorn? I don't know, said his driver, but at least nobody's been hurt. Instead of replacing Cyril with a foghorn, said the Fat Controller, we'll replace Cyril with a foghorn.
What?
Nobody has to be the favorite. It's not a competition in the end.
Everybody join in.
It doesn't matter if you prove that you're the best.
Everybody can win.
But what will happen when you put your friendship to the test?